So we are going to discuss regarding, look, but kidhar gaya? Economies and diseconomies of scale. In that, first we are going to explain internal. Okay, internal mean there are two concepts. One is the economy, second is the diseconomy. Economy means benefit, diseconomy means disadvantage. How the firm is getting benefit or how the firm is getting disadvantage because of their own expansion. See this word. लॉन्ग रन में फर्म अपने को एक्सपेंड करने का टाइम फर्म्स को बहुत बेनिफिट मिलता है और वो बेनिफिट ऐसा हो जाता है कभी कभी वो डिसएडवांटेजेस भी हो जाता है. So that is known as economies of scale. 100 times I'm repeating economies. Not economics. Economics का spelling अलग है. This is economies. When the firm is expanding, when the firm is expanding, they are getting certain benefits because continuous expansion gives the benefit to the firm. But when there is over expansion, there is disadvantage also. When the disadvantage happens, we call it as diseconomy. When the advantage happens, we call it as benefit. Okay. Look. First, here we were explaining about internal. You can see this word. Now I'm explaining external because there are two types. External economy, external diseconomy. This the firm is reaping as a result of growth of industry as a whole. External economy mean what is the difference? External economy firm is getting because industry as a whole is developing. Internal economies firm are enjoying because the firm itself is developing. फर्म अपने आप डेवलप होने का टाइम जो बेनिफिट मिलता है उसको हम इंटरनल इकोनॉमी बुलाते हैं. Whereas industry as a whole is benefiting, then we call it as external economy. Example, Tata Motor is getting the benefit. What are the benefit we will see? Tata Motor is getting the benefit, children. This is known as internal economy because Tata Motor is a single company. This is known as internal economy. Abhi aap dekho what I am writing. You can see here, industry, automobile industry is getting the benefit. Automobile industry is getting the benefit. एक इसका एग्जाम्पल है बच्चे लोग. This is the example of external economy. What is the reason, children? 1 minute. I'm quite properly audible now because my earphone is creating. Are you properly? Oh, thank you, children. Nice of you. Because now my earphone is giving me echo. Yes. So I was explaining that when Tata Motor is getting the benefit, it is known as internal economy because Tata Motor is a company. When automobile industry, Tata Motor belong to automobile. Automobile industry is getting the benefit, it is known as external economy. External economy shift down the cost structure, while external diseconomy shift up the cost curve. कभी भी ये ध्यान रखो, इकोनॉमी होने पर कॉस्ट कम होगा, डिसइकोनॉमी या डिसएडवांटेज होने पर कॉस्ट ऊपर जाएगा. इट्स अ नोन फैक्ट. Okay, so tell me, there are two types of economies of scale. लिखो chat box में क्या क्या है. There are two types of economies of scale. What are the two types? Which one? There are two types of economies of scale. What are they? लिखो उसमें. I want to see in the chat box. There are two types of economies of scale. वो क्या क्या है? perfect. Internal and external. अभी भी कोई लिखा economics, economies, spelling बराबर children, MEES. Economies, internal and external economies. You are right. Economies are the benefit. Diseconomies are the disadvantages. Children, just read. Arjun, building on a daily. What are the various types of internal economy? Be careful from here. Objective में MCQ में कैसा पूछेगा? एक एक एग्जाम्पल देगा और ऊपर. हेलो, ओके. सो एग्जामिनेशन में कैसा आएगा? एक एग्जाम्पल देगा एंड वी विल आस्क यू टू आइडेंटिफाई वो कौन सा बेनिफिट है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन इंटरनल इकोनॉमी. आपका बुक में लिख कर रखो व्हाट आर द इंटरनल इकोनॉमीज. फर्स्ट वन देखो आप, रियल इकोनॉमीज ऑफ स्केल. व्हाट इज रियल इकोनॉमीज ऑफ स्केल? ना कुर्ताच. हाँ, well, real economies are those which are associated with reduction in physical quantity of inputs such as raw material, varying types of labor and various types of capital. ये देखो. So real economies means what? हमने जो production के लिए use करता है, the inputs, no, let it be raw material, let it be labor, उसका quantity कम होता है. Children, how this will become less? Only through the experience. For example, if your mother is in the village, okay, you are asked to, asked to do the cooking in the house. In the beginning, you do not know how much sugar is required, how much salt is required. Beginning, you put a lot or you will be putting less. You don't know. But after doing a month, after doing 2-3 months, you become expert. Similarly, firms are also becoming expert in course of the time, so that they know how to reduce the quantity. Again, for example, raw material. In the beginning, a person who is making the sandwich, he will be buying chutney. So physical quantity, what happened? I am making sandwiches. I know that, there is a good demand for my sandwich. So मैं क्या करेगा? मैं washing market में जाकर ज़्यादा raw material लेकर आएगा. So the cost will be less. But ये मैं beginning में नहीं करेगा. Only in the course of the time when I am established, I will be doing this. So that is the meaning of real economies of scale. I will be appointing the best laborers. All the benefit when I will get children only in the long run. So my cost will become less. Why the cost is becoming less? Because I am using the specialized labor. That is the reason my cost is becoming less. Then aap dekho, next is very, very important, production economy. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Okay, what is production economy, children? Production economy means, I told in the beginning I was producing or I was expecting that I will sell 100 sandwich in a day. वो तो ही ज़्यादा है. and according to my expectation, मेरा 100 sandwich का demand हुआ. Instead, my demand was going on increasing. So I am expanding my production to 200 unit. So naturally, I want more labor, I want more raw material, I want more vegetables. So what is the advantage? When I am producing more, automatically the cost is also becoming less and my profit is also increasing. This is the advantage of production economy. Production is expanding. Why the production is expanding? Because my demand is good. When the demand is good, automatically production is expanding. When the production is expanding, the cost is reducing. Then next up, they call labor economy. What do you mean by labor economy? This is something very interesting that you will have to understand. Labor economy means as the firm is well established, firm will get specialized labor. See here, when this is not happening in the beginning. When the firm is well established, firm will get specialized labor. When the specialized labor comes, what is the advantage? Time can be saved, cost can be reduced, and automation happens. Automation means, put an arrow and write. Automation means fully automatic. Automation means automatic. Means jada machines use karega. Children, please understand, all these things will not happen in the beginning. This will happen only when the firm is expanding. Okay, when they are expanding, what is happening is they start enjoying the labor. What is the meaning of that? Examination mein aisa question aayega. During the process of expansion, firm starts getting the benefit of specialization. What is the name of it? So it is an example of labor economy. I told you, suppose that the firm is expanding. Okay, the same sandwich example we will take. There is an excellent business. So क्या करेगा मैं? पहला तो मैं एक रूम भाड़े पर लेगा, उधर अच्छा एक दो अच्छा लेबरर्स को मैं ऐसा अपॉइंट करेगा जिसको फटाफट सैंडविच बनाने के लिए आता है और अच्छा तरह पैकिंग भी आता है. सो दैट क्या होता है चिल्ड्रन, टाइम सेव होता है. आप देखा होगा when in the evenings and all, boys may be familiar, I feel sometimes girls might have seen it. Ghatkopar mein there is a cow gully, okay, near the station. That place is known as cow gully because all eating items are available. There exactly you can see here, time is the most precious matter. Nobody is ready to wait for half an hour or 40 minutes. So they are all having specialized laborers. One person will cut, okay, another will make make it, third will spread it, fourth will pack it. Like that there is a specialization. So time भी save कर सकता है, फटाफट काम भी हो जाता है, पैसा भी increase हो जाता है. So this is happening only in the long run. उसका बाजू में भी आपको दूसरा एक सैंडविच वाला देखा होगा, उसके पास वो अकेला है. So he cannot enjoy these economies. These economies are enjoyed only when your output is increasing. When your output is increasing, you can enjoy all this benefit. Is it clear to you, children? Labor economies. Labor economy means the advantage of getting cheap labor or advantage of clean up, advantage of getting the specialized labor. That is the meaning of it. Or when they are getting the specialized labor, they are getting the specialized labor when there is the expansion of production. Then you can get the specialized labor. 1 minute. Okay. Now, the problem is, again, this we have done it already. Now we are explaining technical economies. What is technical economies? The firm is enjoying the benefit of technology. That is the meaning of technical economy. When the firm is expanding, the firm can use latest technology. Important technical economy result from the use of, Everywhere economies में you will see this word. Specialized labor, specialized capital. The firm will be purchasing best capital, best equipments, best machines. What is the reason? Because they are producing output on large scale. Okay, so when they are producing output on large scale, the firm can automatically buy the best machines. For example, you take the case of big companies, or forget about it. एक छोटा hospital और एक corporate hospital compare करो आप. When you are comparing a small hospital, suppose that they are asking you to go for a CT scan. What they will say, take the patient to so and so place, get the scan done and come. In that small hospital, that facility is not there. When your patient is admitted in Lilavati, when your patient is admitted in Hinduja or Bombay hospital, large hospitals, everything is possible inside the hospital. So because the output is expanding, okay, their number is more, they are highly specialized. Patient does not have to go any place at all. Everything is possible in one place. The technical economy arises from indivisibilities. Please underline and write. What do you mean by indivisibility, children? Indivisibility means division of labor or division of factor. Indivisibility, dividing, division. Means the firm can divide. जितना ज्यादा हो जाता है उतना डिवाइड करके करके जाएगा. You know, example, पहले joint family था. Joint family में member ज्यादा है, फिर भी advantages भी है, सब काम divide हो जाएगा. बराबर divide हो जाने पर that is excellent system. किसके ऊपर भी ज्यादा काम नहीं आएगा. Okay, so similarly, when the firm is expanding, what will happen? The work, they will be dividing the work. When they are dividing the work, what will happen? It will lead to specialization. It will lead to specialization. Now comes next up, देखो inventory economies. What do you mean by inventory economies, children? You are aware that inventory means stock. God sake, underline. It's a very good question relating to inventory. Inventory means taking care of the stock of the finished product or raw material which are available with the firm. That is known as inventory. Children, I am repeating, inventory means the stock of either the finished product or the raw material which is available in the, which is available with the firm. That is known as inventory. Okay. What is inventory, children? Commerce में, accounts में inventory को आप क्या बोलते हैं? Inventory को आप क्या बोलते हैं? Inventory means stock. You are right. Somebody is writing. Goods nahi hai, children, rather stock hai. Yes, that is the proper word of inventory. I told you are going to the malls. Ab mall mein dekha hoga. Okay, malls means suppose that you are going to hypermarket or big bazaar, somewhere, inside the big bazaar or Reliance Fresh you are going. Up next time you see that when the people are buying, say for example, soap, people are buying toothpaste. So people are going on buying. The moment people are buying that, automatically their computer name, inventory list name, it is getting noticed. For example, 10 soaps are sold out. Okay, 20 toothpaste are sold out. Immediately, the stock taking department, inventory say, utna soap jidhar stock mein hai udhar aakar baithega. That particular place where you have taken the soap, that item will be again coming, because they are always closely monitoring how much stock is available in the inventory. When jada stock available nahi hai, they will bring it. When extra stock hai, the moment it is sold out, it will be brought to the same place, so that people will not be losing their time. People will not be searching the items and wasting their time. So inventory management is something which is very, very important. Children, what is inventory management? Inventory management means managing the stock. For example, again, simple, don't go to the malls and all. There are various racks, in the mall. Similarly, आप घर में देखो, अचानक guest आने पर भी कभी भी your mother will never send you to the shop to buy the sugar or to buy the rice. What is the reason? Mother always keeps some stock. At least half kilo sugar to घर में होगा. Only so many guests are coming, it's a different matter. When 3-4 guests are coming, easily we can manage. Rice will be at home. Wheat will be at home. Vegetables will be at home. This is the inventory management. That is the efficiency of a lady. And ऐसा नहीं है कि एक दिन घर में आता है वो जिनके लिए दूध लाने के लिए जाए वो sugar लाने के लिए जाए वो, there is no inventory management in that house. Okay, because you cannot manage, even one person comes, you don't have anything in that house. So this is not the inventory management. Proper inventory management means you should have full control over the stock. And when the stock, before the stock is getting over, you should be able to replace it. It is something very important. देखो, this is very, very important. ये देखो इधर से objective आएगा. Inventory includes what all things. ये देखिए. Take down this. Inventory include what all things? First one, spare part. वो सबसे important है spare part. Spare part क्या है children? आपको मालूम है mobile has been sold. Okay, mobile का spare part है. उसका speaker गया. Okay, नहीं तो display खराब हो गया. उसका अंदर का sound का वो incoming calls का otherwise charging point खराब हो गया. That spare part should be available with Samsung, Samsung ka service center. They cannot every time ask the people to go and come after 10 days. People will be very unhappy. They will go to that mobile who is providing you the spare part quickly. So inventory mein spare part hona hi chahiye. Second is raw material, that is for production. Third, finished product. I told you, I had given you the example of malls. Malls में वगैरह कैसा finished product ready हो जाता है. So inventory includes spare part, raw material and finished product, everything. As the size of output increases, firm can hold smaller percentage of inventory because firm knows that what is the demand. So there is no need of accumulating the stock. Okay, so as the output is increasing, the firm knows what is the need of keeping the inventory in the house, in the firm. I told you that half kilo sugar is sufficient. That is a good inventory. There is no need of keeping 5 kilo sugar always in the house. Itna jada guest aayega nahi, neither there is a function. So why should you waste so much 5 kilo of sugar? Similarly, 50 kilos of rice. Your family is a small family. What you will do with 50 kilo of rice? So as the time goes, you know that what is the stationery which is required, what is the inventory that is required in your house, in your factory. These are the advantages of economies. As the time goes, when the production expands, please understand very clearly, only when the production is expanding, all these benefits can come. In the beginning stages, no benefit will be coming. Now we are dealing with next type of economy is marketing economy. Ye dekho. They are associated with selling of the product. Underline this. This is marketing economy. Production is over. Now comes the biggest challenge. How to sell the product. Okay, so how can you sell the product? Again, it includes advertising. Marketing economy include advertising economy. The question is how much time or how much money you have to spend on advertising. This is something more important. How much money you have to spend on advertising. Advertisement expenditure increases less than proportionately with increase in the output. Advertisement cost per unit of output falls. क्या लिखा है देखो, अभी एक even any ordinary product, every company is doing the advertisement. Why they are doing the advertisement? They want to see that product is becoming more popular. People will buy only those products which is more popular, which is known to them. So company has to spend money on advertisement. Whether you take the case of, Reliance Jio, you take the case of Airtel, these are all very popular brand, Vodafone, still they are marketing a lot. What is the reason? The advertisement expenditure they are spending so that they know that their sales will increase. But beyond a point, they will realize that बहुत ज्यादा भी एडवर्टाइजमेंट के ऊपर स्पेंड करने का जरूरत नहीं है, because people knows this brand. So company is calculating so properly what is their advertisement model. They will increase the advertisement expenditure in the beginning. Okay, advertisement expenditure will increase, then they will stop here. Because they know that now sale is not going to increase. Already people know the product. Only some changes that you have to advertise. Then after that, advertisement expenditure come karega, end mein. So this is the marketing economy. And you are very well aware, good company, you take the case of Amazon. Amazon के सामने छोटा छोटा किराए का दुकान कैसा सर्वाइव करेगा, पूरा पेजेस एडवर्टाइजमेंट करता है. Okay, you mobile open karo, only advertisement is coming. So big corporate, they are expert in marketing because they got money, they got power, they got technique, everything is associated with them. So itana sab economy kab enjoy hoga children? Only in the long run, because your company is established. Beginning me, you are not familiar with Swiggy, you are not familiar with Zomato. Today everybody is aware about it. What is the reason? It is already established. And the COVID has rather, made their life more comfortable. More and more people begin to give order through online. So automatically, the popularity of the company has increased. So here what is happening is marketing economy mein, this happens only in the long run, because you are able to sustain in the market. You are able to spend lakhs of rupees on advertisement. Sometimes with single advertisement, your product become very popular. So the small company, they cannot even think about all these things. Please write it there. Did you understand or not? Jidhar dekhte cut karo. I told you that is coming from the air. When I was dictating, it is coming. I was not typing. That is why that word is coming. Then we know that company will be spending money on distribution of sample, salesman ka salary, salesman for salary, all these things are coming under, what you say that, marketing economy. Marketing economy. अभी आप देखो, next is managerial economy. All these are the internal economies. Managerial economy is very, very interesting. The better the company, the bigger the company, they will be having specialized managers. Production के लिए एक manager, sales के लिए एक manager, finance के लिए manager, personal manager, HR manager. Manager का बड़ा कहानी है big companies में. Why they are appointing so many managers? They are appointing so many managers because the work is so big. They don't want to overburden one person. Okay, you might have gone to, किधर टाटा क्रोमा का शोरूम में गया होगा, नहीं तो LG का शोरूम में गया होगा. There are so many sales girls or boys. Then there will be a team manager. That is the store ka manager. That manager will be inside. He will not be coming on and off. And when at the same time through the CCTV, he can see what is happening in the shop. So then billing के लिए एक person है, production का managing team अलग है, sales का team अलग है, accounts का team अलग है, then employees का problems है, उसके लिए HR team है. So every team is separate. This is the advantage of managerial economy. छोटा कंपनी में क्या होगा? छोटा कंपनी में एक ही पर्सन सब काम करेगा. एक ही पर्सन सब काम करने पर you will not be happy. Please understand that. But when the company is well established, automatically they will be going for managers for each and every department. And you take the companies like Reliance, you might have heard it, मोनो रेलवे का बनाया कंपनी, मैंने आपको बोला L&T, लार्सन एंड टूब्रो. आप सेकेंड सेमेस्टर में पढ़ेगा. L&T मोनो रेल चलता है ना चेंबूर में. Larsen and Dubro, highly 100% specialized, such a big company in Powai. So everything is so specialized. You take Tata Group, highly specialized. One person will not do the job of other. They are all known as specialized people. Again, you take five-star hotels. There are so many cooks are there. 1 minute, children. Yes, I'm stopping the recording. I told you we are all down with COVID. We are getting the call from BMC center. I'm just stopping the recording.